Welcome to the CTE Pathway Updates for Summer 2026. My name is Jim Presley, CTE Education Consultant. First, we'll look at the 26-27 Automotive Body Repair Pathway Updates. IT-35 Automotive Body Repair 1 will remain in pilot for the 26-27 school year. The proof of learning is credential, which is the iCar Academy Collision Repair Fundamentals, which is the proof of learning. Two aligned credentials for the course are the SP2 Collision Repair and Refinish Safety and the SP2 Collision Repair and Refinish Pollution Prevention. Also, IT-36 Automotive Body Repair 2 Honors will remain in pilot for the 26-27 school year, and the proof of learning is the iCar Academy Disassembly and Reassembly credential. The new Auto Body Repair course, IT-37 Automotive Body Repair 3 Non-Structural, is being released for the 26-27 school year. It will be in pilot. The proof of learning is local. Aligned credential is the iCar Academy Aluminum Steel Small Dent Removal. And the final iCar Academy course to be released this year is IT-38 Automotive Body Repair 3 Refinishing and Plastic Repair. This course will be in pilot for the 26-27 school year, and the proof of learning are two credentials, the iCar Academy Plastic Repair and the iCar Academy Preparation for Refinish. Next, we'll look at the 26-27 Automotive Service Pathway Updates. There are several updates for automotive service. First, the ASE Education Foundation has a completely new website that was revised at the beginning of the calendar year. It's a lot better and a lot easier to navigate. Also, the ASE accreditation documents that were on the website have been removed. They will be in the new CTE Resource Center. And if you have questions or need more information, please feel free to email me and I will get you the information. Also, on July 1st, ASE accreditation fees will increase this year. Initial fees will increase from $2,530 to $3,030, a $500 increase. And the accreditation renewal fee will increase from $1,895 to $2,295, a $400 increase. So just be aware of the increased accreditation fees. Another update for automotive service for the upcoming school year is the ASE entry-level testing fee will be increasing. For ASE accredited programs, the fee is increasing from $46 to $47 per student, so $1 increase. For non-accredited programs, the fee is increasing from $51 to $57, a $6 increase. You can also find bundle pricing that will show the slight increase on the ASE entry level testing website. Now let's look at the 26-27 general course updates. ED45 Career Management will continue in standard status for the 26-27 school year. The proof of learning continues to be the PBM. The update is a new credential, the Career and Life Essential Certificate. We will be having a session at summer conference on this new credential. Next, let's look at the unmanned aircraft systems pathway updates for 26-27 school year. The update for ID 11 Drone Technology 1 Honors is that the course has become inherently honors for the 26-27 school year. It will be in standard status, and the credential continues to be the Part 107 Small Aircraft Systems is the POL. ID 12 Drone Technology 2 Honors will be in standard status for the 26-27 school year. The proof of learning is a credential. The proof of learning is made up of two credentials: the aerial mapping with drones, 2D and 3D applications, and the NFPA 2400. The update is the new UAS Drone Management Systems Applications credential. At this year's summer conference, we will have a train the trainer for the new UAS Drone Management System applications. Please note that teachers have 1 year grace period to complete the 8-hour training course for the UAS Drone Management Systems application. I'm happy to announce that for the 26-27 school year, we will continue with our two pathway teacher leads, Diane McPherson for drones and Jeff Murray for automotive service. We will once again be offering virtual office hours on the second and fourth Wednesday of each month from 3 to 4 p.m. More information will be listed in the CTE Resource Center on Canvas. For the 26-27 school year, we will have various pathway professional development opportunities. For each of the pathways, we will have PD monthly called Pathway Connections. These will be 1-hour PD sessions throughout the year. More information can be found on the CTE Resource Center. During the 26-27 school year, we will continue to have course pilot check-ins. Two courses that are in pilot this year, as mentioned earlier, will be Automotive Service and Automotive Body Repair. We'll have monthly 1-hour pilot check-ins. Please participate and provide feedback on the course, which will help to improve the courses. More information will be in the CTE Resource Center. More PD opportunities for the 26-27 school year will be for automotive body repair, the ASE live and recorded webinars. These are great 1-hour webinars that keep you technically updated, and some can be even used in the classroom. Also, Automotive Service will continue to offer, ASE will continue to offer the ASE live and recorded webinars. Also, we will be having PD with in the fall and the spring with our pathway teacher lead, which was a great success last year. Dates will be to be determined, but will be listed in the CTE Resource Center. Now let's look a little bit down the road for the 27-28 school year. These are the general course updates. These are tentative and may change. We are currently working on ED45 career management and updating the PBM and including new proficiency scales. The course will be in pilot for the 27-28 school year, and we will roll out the course with PD in May of 2027. Also, for the 27-28 school year, the CTE Advanced Studies Honors Course will have a POL that is local for the 27-28 school year. Now let's look up at updates for metals manufacturing for 27-28 school year. For the 27-28 school year, all three metals manufacturing courses will be moving to LCO. This will include IM 41, IM 42, and IM 43. And finally, let's look at the 27-28 school year for unmanned aircraft systems pathway updates. ID10 Drone Technology Fundamentals for 27-28 will have a revised PBM with proficiency scales. The course will be rolled out in May of 2027. Now let's look at Skills USA updates with Paul Heidepriem, who's our Executive Director for Skills USA North Carolina. If you ever have any questions, please do not hesitate to email them at info@skillsusanc.org. For the latest up-to-date information with Skills USA, with dates of workshops, results, conferences, contact information, and upcoming events, below are hyperlinks to all these on the Skills USA North Carolina website. Below are a list of dates for 26-27 school year for Skills USA. Please refer to the Skills USA NC website events page for the latest updates and information. Below are the various links for our social media. Please tag us with your CTE social media posts at hashtag CTE for NC. That concludes my updates for the 26-27 school year. I appreciate your time. Again, my name's Jim Presley. You can always reach out to me. Best ways, email at james.presley, Pressly, at dpi.nc.gov. Have a great school year.